Mudavadi. Cette présentation se fera avec.
This path on which we have started, we must pursue it because it rests upon solid basis with the aim of drawing prospects for the future of the partnership between France, Europe, and the African continent. We will therefore have, as you know, Excellencies, because you are here this year in the month of May, the Africa Forward Summit, Partnerships between Africa and France for Innovation and Growth. That is the complete title, but we'll just refer to it as Africa Forward. Will be held on the 11th or 12th of May in Nairobi.
We want to be able to see how we can collectively have a conversation about the future of Africa, about the future of France, and the partnership of France and Africa going forward, and not looking backwards. So I think this context is absolutely essential for us to prepare appropriately as we look forward to the summit. The commitment to host the summit was made during a high-level meeting between Kenya's President William Ruto and President Emmanuel Macron of France during the 79th session of UNGA in 2024 in New York. And for us as Kenya, we really feel honored to be the first non-French speaking country to be participating in this forum. A lot of the nations represented here have had this forum held in their countries at different times. So this is the first for us. And therefore we wish to make the very best out of it and make it a success. But your input, your experience is going to be very valuable in this interaction. Key is the reform of the international financial architecture, then leveraging African solutions for the energy transition and increasing access to electricity, advancing green industrialization in Africa, unlocking the potential of the blue economy, developing sustainable and high value-added agriculture. Sixth, harnessing the potential of artificial intelligence and digital technologies. And seven, rethinking global health and building resilient national health systems.